Let's start with the video. First, I'm opening my file and I'll show you the PPT which I'm going to convert. So this is the PPT which I'm going to convert, which is named as Family Harmony. So let's see the PPT which we are going to convert it into a video. So this is the PPT which I'm going to convert. So now for this, you need to go to your browser. So here I'm opening the Chrome and you have to type pptx to video and give it a search. In the second row you can find a website called video.online-convert.com. Click on that. Here you can choose file. So for that, click on choose file, open your file manager. So here I'm clicking Family Harmony PPT and click on start. So once you click on the start button which is displayed on your screen, your PPT will be converted to your video. So it may take few seconds. So it will be converted automatically. So don't press the back button. You can see after few seconds your video will be ready. So you can click on the download option. Here you can click on download. So now you can see our video is ready. So this is how you can convert a pptx to a video. So here let's play and see. Hope this video helped you. So please like, share and subscribe.